What's up everybody? Today I have the brand new iPad. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this. On this channel I do a lot of in-depth tutorials and reviews and detailed unboxings just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So this is the latest iPad released by Apple, 6th generation. Alright, so this comes with Wi-Fi as well as cellular data as well. So there's two storage options. There's 32GB version or the 128. And the color options are either the space gray, silver, or gold. I opted in for the space gray. Let's take a look. So there's plastic all over. We're going to flip it over and take it off. Plastic's off. This is a 9.7-inch screen. It comes with the A10 Fusion chip, and you can tell this is like a really thin design that they have. Love it. Okay. Alright, so you get your USB to lightning cable. I'm not going to go too deep into this. People who have been watching my channel know how much I dislike the lightning cable and how Apple is in the middle of a change from lightning cable to USB-C, because my MacBook Pro takes a USB-C, but my iPhone and now the iPad still take the lightning cable. Alright, and then we have the Design by Apple logo. In here you'll get your instructions manual and everything else, your stickers. And then finally you get your USB wall adapter. Let's take a look. Alright, here it is. Let's take a look. You just pop it up. So depending on where you are, I'm in North America, that's why these are North American power cables. You plug in your USB cable into here, and then you can charge in your iPad. And finally, let's unbox the iPad. Alright, so now that we're talking about the iPad, it's 9.4 inches by 6.6 inches over here. So you get your home button that's Touch ID enabled. At the bottom you have your lightning port as well as the built-in stereo speakers. Alright, and on this side you have your volume up and down buttons. Alright, at the back you have your 8-megapixel camera up here with live autofocus, and it can record HD videos 1080p and slow-mo at 120 frames per second. At the top you have your headphone jack as well as your on and off switch up here. And this is your FaceTime HD camera. It's 1.2 megapixel. So let's turn this on and set it up. To turn it on, just press and hold this top button and you'll see the logo come up. Press home to open, and then we're going to go through the setup. Alright, so I have my iPhone X. I'm going to bring it closer in and bang. Alright, and there you go. There's an option to set up a new iPad using my Apple ID. So I'm going to press continue. It says to hold your new iPad up to the camera. Okay, that's what we're going to do. It says finish on a new iPad. Keep the iPhone near until the information is transferred to the iPad. Alright, so we're back. Alright, so we're back and it says enter password. Your password is required to enable Touch ID. Just going to put that in. And then here we have it. Restore complete. Your iPad was restored successfully. Just a few more steps. Press continue. Access the dock anywhere. Continue. Switch between apps. Continue. Welcome to your iPad. Get started. And then here we have it. And it's loading all of my apps as we speak. I'm going to be doing a full detailed review of this and a lot more videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe right below here and make sure you check out the other unboxings that I have done. And make sure to leave me a comment letting me know what you think about the brand new iPad. Are you thinking about purchasing it? Are you going to pass on this one and wait for the iPad Pro to come out? As always, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.